Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my dear lovely viewers. For those who have subscribed to my channel and also turn on notification, as promised, that I'll be dropping a video on how to claim NFT on Martian testnet. On Martian testnet is exactly what I'm doing right now. But one thing I need you to know is a lot of you will be thinking is because it's testnet, so it's just testnet. It's actually a task that was recommended by Martian team themselves. And you know what Martian mean? Is one of the biggest extension on Aptos blockchain. So now we need to really focus on this and watch and make sure we participate in this. So now let's just go. Let's go to our wallet extension. So let's just go to our Martian wallet. Is here. Click here. This is the extension as you can see here. So this is mainnet. It is mainnet. So this is balance I have on mainnet. So on testnet, this is actually the airdrop we got. You can see I also got as well. So thanks to God, I've sent it to Binance. That's why you will see that it's not showing anything. So here now, you need to change it to for you to run this particular testnet for the NFT to claim the NFT. You need to use testnet, not mainnet. So I've actually claimed two already. I don't know if I'll be allowed to claim more. So you can see I've claimed some other ones even. But let me just go on with this. That's why I said you should follow me on Twitter, because on Twitter I post some of these that I don't do video on, because I believe they are straightforward. You don't really need video for them. So that's why I just move on and just post them on Twitter. So here right now, to claim the NFT, you need to come here. As you can see, I've already claimed two already. I have the two down here. So once you want to claim, you won't be seeing this if you're yet to do any task or claim any mint any airdrop, any NFT. So this is what you need to click: mint Martian NFTs. Once you click on that, it will bring you here. Then you connect your Martian wallet. It will pop up your wallet extension. You can use both mobile and PC. Then you click on approve. So once you click on approve, click on mint Martian NFT. This NFT you're seeing like just a testnet, it can earn you um airdrop that will change your life. That's the truth. So because we never even expect Apples also to also be that big. But let's see. Approve. Let's see if it will give me the third NFT, because I've done two already. So let's see if I can claim it. So let's approve once again. NFT means successful. That means it worked. So let's check how and see how many I have now. So you can see I now have three NFTs. You can also go on and claim your NFT. I repeat, this is Martian NFT, and this Martian NFT is just a way of testing if the NFT is working fine on their platform. And as you can see, it's working fine. Then they will reward you for testing it for them. So that is the basis for the NFT airdrop behind this particular project. I just hope you guys won't be doing this thing late, and I hope you do it immediately you see it like this. So thank you very much for watching my video, guys. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button, like and share the video with your friends and loved ones. Thank you very much, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.